Doors opening.
Guys, ang ganda. Bangkok is not just like Manila. I hope you can learn from them yung efficient na mass transportation system. Guys, Sawadee Krap from Bangkok, Thailand. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And nandito na tayo sa ating last leg ng 10-day na Indo-China trip here in Thailand. So ngayon, ito-try natin experience yung kanilang train system. Okay, kasi di pa for this trip, this is my second time in Bangkok for this trip. Di ko pa na-experience yung kanilang train system. Kanina umaga nag-bus tayo, but now, let's do the train. Para kung may plan din kayo mag-Bangkok, at least may idea kayo kung paano siya gawin. So, i-share ko sa iyo maging journey ko. So, sana makasurvive ako ngayon for the train experience. So, kung kayo guys ay mag-Bangkok or Thailand or in the Philippines, you will travel to the Philippines, you can book your activities at the hotel via Klook and use my promo code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount. So mag-isa lang tayo ngayon kasi yung mga kasama ko nauna na sila sa hostel. Let's go! Okay, dito tayo pumasok. So this is the Museum of Siam. Taray, may pa-subway ang Thailand guys. May mga ATM machine yung kanilang mga subway guys. I mean yung kanilang subway or train station. Galing tayo sa area ng mga temple. So ngayon ang goal natin makapunta sa Chinatown. So ang stop natin ay Wat Mangkok. Bawal durian guys. Di ko sure kung ba't ang sick nila sa durian. Maraming ganito. And pila tayo for the ticket here. Okay? Wat Mangkok is 20 baht, correct? And binigyan tayo ng ganitong parang coin na tinatap lang sa kanilang upon entrance ng kung saan tayo sasakay ng train. Yung token pala. Then, yun. Let's go. Going to trains. Let's go. So, since this is a subway, baba lang tayo ng baba. Okay, guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng train system ng Thailand. So, ito yung token natin na dapat i-insert. Hindi siya dapat i-insert. I-tap kanina upon entering. And then, intay na lang tayo dito sa platform. Super nice. Ang aliwalas, ang lamig. Guys, Bangkok is not just like Manila. It's even modern and more and has a transportation system na efficient. Yun. More efficient transport system.
Wat Mangkok Station.
We've
Please find the gap
arrived.
between train and platform.
Let's go.
Concourse level. Doors opening.
Ang aliwalas, nakakatuwa. To silong sa Convit. I love my experience. It was quick but I super love. Maliwalas. Hindi maraming tao. It's 8 PM, almost 8 PM. Ito, maliwalas. Okay, pasok natin dito. And it will open. Let's go! Yun guys, ang ating experience riding the train here in Bangkok. May CR din sila guys after the exit from the platform. So wow, nakakatuwa. And ngayon, punta na tayo sa may Chinatown. Hindi lang sa Chinatown talaga tayo pupunta. Let's go sa exit 2. Survived! Actually guys, nasa 34 yung pamasahin natin. 2 stops. Papunta dito sa Wat Mangkok, malapit sa Chinatown. So sana nakatulong tong quick vlog sa inyo. Kung magbabangkok kayo, and again, ina-navigate nyo yung trains. Mabilis lang, ano lang siya, bayad kayo just like an MRT. Pero dito ang kaibahan, yung kanila ay coin. or token na itatap. Tapos labas. Pero dito, mas convenient. I mean, mas maliwalas. I think mas efficient. May mga directions talaga. At tingnan nyo naman yung line nila. So, in one train system, marami kayong pwedeng mapuntahan. I love Bangkok so much. I hope you can learn from them. The way they preserve their culture, their tradition, and then yung efficient na mass transportation system. This is Dave, the Kuripa Traveler, and guys, let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!